Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to check your computer's RAM for any errors on Windows. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Windows Memory Diagnostic is a built-in Windows tool that checks your computer's RAM for errors. It's useful if you're seeing random crashes, blue screens, BSOD, freezes, or app errors. If you have any unsaved work, it's highly recommended to save your work before running the memory diagnostics. To run Windows Memory Diagnostic, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic, and open it. After that, choose Restart Now and check for problems. Recommended. Your PC will reboot and Windows Memory Diagnostics tool will start testing the RAM for errors. During the test, the PC restarts into a blue screen. Progress and test status are shown. Takes 5 to 15 minutes, can be longer on high-capacity RAM, and after the test is done, PC restarts automatically. There are also advanced test options available. While the test is running, press F1, select Test Mix, Basic, Standard, Extended. Extended is more thorough but slower. Standard test works most of the times. If any problem is detected, it will be shown under the status section. You can also check the results from the event viewer later, once your PC reboots to Windows. To check the diagnostic results, open the event viewer, and navigate to the following tree. Here, click on Filter Current Log, and then select Memory Diagnostic from the Event Sources drop-down list, and click on OK. And here the memory diagnostic results will be shown. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.